Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. We are here at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3. We're going to Osaka this time. Okay, there's Madam renting a Wi-Fi that we will be using in Japan. Big Sky Travel Wi-Fi, SIM cards and easily for as low as 250 a day. I hope it is worth that price. Madam. Okay, ayun po si Madam. Ang aking beautiful wife. Tuwang-tuwa po siya. Sabi niya kasi magkasama na muli kami. Hindi po kami nagkasama ng ilang araw. Ilang araw? 10 days?
4 days? Ay, 14 days.
14 days kasi pinapunta niya po ako sa Los Angeles for the 90th celebration ng aming tiyahin. And then 6 days po ako sa LA, then 4 days ako sa Vancouver, and then 4 days din po ako sa Tokyo, Japan. Kauwi ko lamang po kahapon at ngayon nga po ay palipad naman kami pa Osaka, Japan hanggang June 15 para daw sa aking birthday celebration. Happy birthday to me! 115 tayo. Yun, 115. Okay, so we are now at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3, at ang ating gate ay ayun, 115. It will be departing by 6:45. Ang boarding po namin ay 6 o'clock, kaya hindi na po kami nakapag-airport lounge dahil sayang naman po yung aming slot. Hello, there she is. My beautiful wife, Madam. Okay. Ayan. Oh, 115 tayo. Siguro Hong Kong pa muna ngayon bago pa yung Okay, we're here. We just wait for the boarding for our flight to Osaka, Japan. Boarding na po. We're bound to Osaka, Japan. We're now boarding. Flight number 3K763 bound for Osaka. Boarding na po. Ayan po. Boarding na po kami. Now bound to Osaka. Actually, last Madam beautiful birthday we were in Osaka. So today, since it will be my birthday tomorrow, we will go back to Osaka, Japan. Okay, see you in Japan. Hello. Nandito na po kami sa Kansai. Welcome Kansai, Osaka. So sakay po tayo ng shuttle train papunta po sa main terminal. Okay. So yan na ang ating sasakyan na train. Okay, papunta po sa main terminal. Okay. So, madam, po ka na dyan, madam.
Po ka dyan.
Okay. Ayan, madam. Pagod si madam. Naidlip. Sa loob na po kami ng shuttle train. Patungo po ng main terminal. Hello. Welcome to Kansai. Welcome to Osaka.
It's our second time.
Yeah, we were here during the birthday of Madam Miss Beautiful. And now we will be celebrating my birthday here in Osaka. Papunta na po tayo ng main terminal. Sakay po ng shuttle train. Okay. So bawat punta po natin sa mga lugar na ating napupuntahan ay mga bagong experiences po at mga bagong learning. Very good. Ito na ang inyong terminal. Dito na po tayo. We have arrived. Arrival na po tayo. Okay. There it is. Diyan na. Welcome to Kansai. Yan. Welcome to Kansai. We are now here. And they are telling us that beautiful nature right next door. Ayan na, mag-ano na muna tayo dyan bago tayo mag-CR. Okay, so we are now here. Oh, hello, hello. Ayan po, kararating lang ng Osaka. Bendo machine agad ang kanyang pinuntahan.
Ang mahal ng ice
Ang mahal ng ice cream
cream sa
saan?
airplane.
Ang mahal ba na? Hindi ka makamove on sa air. Magkano yung ice cream? 3,000 yen?
Pati naman yung
Okay. So, ayan po, kararating niya lang po ng Kansai Airport. Dito po sa Osaka. Kararating lang ng airport. At ayun po si Madam. Nagbebendo po agad. Okay, okay. Okay, ito po ang pinaka lobby after po ng Custom and Immigration Control. So maya-maya po ay palabas na tayo para sasakay ng ating limo papunta po sa ating hotel. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, what's that?
You know Awaji Island?
So you want me to talk to you?
Awaji Island is located in the middle of Kansai region and the Shikoku region.
Wow,
The island
okay.
is easily accessible from Osaka or Kobe.
Okay. So we're here. Okay. Oh.
Have you made any travel plans?
The Ninjan World in Japan. Hello. Hello, hello. The Ninjan World in Japan. Okay, okay. Wow. Naruto. Okay. Okay. Naruto. Godzilla. Interception Operation Awaji. Okay.
And
Can,
there are also Hello Kitty Apple Land and many other fun places to visit in Awaji Island.
okay, so Awaji Island. Okay. Oh, nice one. Oh, so that's Awaji Island there. Okay. Very good. Awaji. Okay. Hello. Welcome to Kansai. We're here in Osaka, Japan to celebrate my birthday tomorrow. Actually, we were here during the birthday of Madam, my beautiful wife, last March. So this time it will be my time to be in Osaka for my birthday celebration. Hello.
Nakita ko priorities ito.
Yeah, hello. We're now bound for Namba. Nandito na po kami sa limo bus from Kansai Airport. Okay. There's Madam. Okay.
See you later.
See you later, mga ka-seniors.
Kakain po kami ng takoyaki.
Okay. Pinuntahan natin yun. May Ferris wheel na yun. Malaking Ferris wheel. Yun, yung nandun sa kanan. Yung nag-cruise tayo. Nag-cruise tayo nun. Oo. Ayan o, yung malaki. Yung papunta yan, malapit yan dun sa Omeda eh. Yeah. bukas sa Kobe tayo. Kobe, Nara, sa Kyoto. Kyoto tayo. Yan.
Hindi. Alala ka nang bumibili ka sa akin, nawawala ang wifi nun eh.
Kaya nga, nasa yung wifi. Kasi nga, pag nagkahiwalay tayo, router lang kasi yun. Hello, hello, hello! Andito na po kami sa Okat, sa Namba. Papunta na po kami ng hotel at magta-taxi na po kami. Papunta po ng Hilton Hotel. So, okay. Dito tayo nag-taxi na din, di ba? Sa labas, umuulan.